ML650M is a high-performance electric lock. It is equipped with the electrical function of ML450M while also having a key cylinder for manual operation. With the addition of a key cylinder, the door can be opened by electrical or manual operations. The special latch bolt design allows immediate relocking when the door is closed. The nib can self-adjust according to the direction of the door swing. ML650M can be installed on single or double-action swing doors. The key cylinder triggers internal mechanism and power activation to open the door. Without power, key cylinder only activates internal mechanism. When closing the door, the key cylinder has to remain activated in order to lock the door. Turning the thumb turn to open the door from the inside. Please visit www.johnny.tw or contact us for more information.